If you've ever tried weighing something big and you can't actually read the scale, you might want to try this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just bought this scale here because sometimes I ship stuff out, I'm sending something out, I'm taking luggage to the airport, I want to know how much it weighs. And if I just use my scale at home, that's like this big, most of the time it actually covers the LCD, so I can't actually see how much it weighs. I actually have the information of how much it weighs because I know that the scale is weighing it, but as soon as I remove it, the display changes, right? So one of the things I thought here is ingenious is having a scale where the readout of the weight is actually separate from the scale itself. So that's why I picked this up, because I thought, man, it would be nice to be able to know exactly how much something weighs so that I can post it myself before I take it to the mailbox or UPS or airport ticket counter. Now, one thing I want to show you is I have this box, but I also have this little bubble envelope, and that includes the Weighmax readout here. So what we have looks like a little plastic over the LCD screen here, so it's actually pretty big. It's kind of the size of like a bathroom scale, so just peel that off there. Oh yeah, oh my gosh, dude, that is sticky, kind of like me. And we have some buttons here. Power, looks like we can change maybe the decimal places. It looks like we can hit this hold button here, and then this button will switch between pounds and kilograms. And then we have kind of like an old school stretchy phone cord, and it's got basically like one of those old school phone plugs on that end, and that should plug into this. So I believe this is the working portion of this. And here's the scale itself. It's kind of smaller than a bathroom scale. I'd say maybe, 75%. It's just a little bit narrower, probably 8 inches by 7 inches, and it's actually kind of tall here, so maybe 1.5 inches, 1.75 inches tall. And what you can see is we've got the little plug here, so this will plug into there. We also have foam feet here, so not rubberized, it can still slide around. We've got kind of that spring-loaded scale piece up here, and then the top, which is tan. But what I want to show you is that these splay open here, so I can open these up. So if you have something that's, I don't know, round, rolling around, you don't have to worry about it rolling off. So, you can put something in the middle here, and maybe like a case, because it's a little bit raised here. So if I were putting a bag in here, maybe it would kind of flop to one edge or something like that. But this way, it's totally flat. So if you have something completely flat and you don't have to worry about it being braced a little bit, you've got that there. And then the other thing I want to show you is that on the readout portion, we have a little plug right there, and we also have this 2-prong plug right there. So I think we can power it off of this cord here, which looks like it's about 3, maybe 4 feet long. And so hopefully you can plug it in there. But on the back here, we also have this door here, so I can pull that off, and you might be able to see I've got 4 AAA batteries in there. So it actually came with the batteries. So I see that they're wrapped in plastic. So actually, the plastic looks like it came off just like that. So that's kind of nice. You don't have to worry about buying some batteries, but maybe it'll run off of batteries or the cord itself. I don't think you would need both of them. So let's get this thing set up and set something on it and see if it works. All right, so I have the scale here plugged into the control unit and the LCD panel. I'm just going to hit this power button. Look at that, it's lit and it's coming on, and man, that is pretty nice because that is really easy to read while standing up. It's also in pounds already, so I'm just going to put that down there. You can see that I could stretch that out a little bit, but one of the nice things, whether it's like this travel air mattress or say this case, right, if I had to ship this, the whole thing would cover up normal bathroom scale. There's nothing about the scale I'd be able to see. Even this is wider than my bathroom scale, but now I can just put that on here. I don't have to worry about being able to see it. And look, I can see that it's 5.725 pounds. So that is pretty awesome. So I am really digging this because now I can weigh everything. Luggage, stuff I need to ship, like this thing, stuff I need to take out, stuff I need to pack away, whatever it is, because this scale means I can see the weights of everything, even if they're big and awkward sized, just like me. So if you want to pick up this scale so that you can weigh everything, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out!
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.